Okay, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to do loops. Before I do anything to do with loops, I'm just going to show you something called commenting. Now if I type a hashtag in with Python, you can see it started red, and I can put this is a comment. Now the reason why we use comments is quite simple. You can annotate your code as you go through. It's good practice that if you were working in a company and you leave that company, somebody else then can follow your code and they can see exactly what you've done. Also, it'll help you if you have to go back to code at a later on date. I typically try to use comments just to label things. So if I'm doing loops, I put loops program, and I can start going like that. Now if I've got a large section of text that I want to comment out, we can use 3 apostrophes, and what will happen is this is a comment. Anything now within inside these 3 will basically be green, and that shows you they commented out. If I then go print as an example, you can see now print goes back to normal. So these are 3 different ways you can comment. Personally, my favourite is always the hashtags. I like comments to be in red so they stand out a little bit more. Anyway, what we're going to do now is we're going to do a loop. The first loop I'm going to do is a for loop. And what we're going to do is we're going to say for I in range, and I'm going to make this up 6, print hello. So you can see with this, it just says for I in range 6, so I've made a variable called I, and what this is going to do is it's going to loop around 6 times. If I just save this and show you. Very simply, I've just got hello appearing 6 times. Now to show you what is happening, if I just print I as well, you can see I've got hello 0, so I'm starting at 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what this is doing is it's automatically increasing for me. I haven't told it to increase, it's doing it for me. I can also do a similar thing with a while loop. Okay, so if I use a while loop, so I can say I equals 0. Now this is the difference when we do a while loop. I have to assign I a value. So I'm going to say while I is less than 6. Now notice I put the semicolon in again, because I'm starting a new function. So while I is less than 6, print hello. So what this is going to do is continually run hello. The reason for this, if I just do Control C to break it, the reason for this is it is essentially looping around each time. So it's going to go while I is less than 6, print hello, and then it loops again. Well, I will always be less than 6 because we haven't told I to increase. So what we need to do is we need to do I equals I plus 1. What this does is it increments I 1 each time. If I just run that again, you can see it says hello, 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 hello. So if I print I, you can see now this time it goes hello 0, hello 1, hello 2, hello 3, hello 4, hello 5. So it's doing the same sort of thing as we've done with the for loop. The only difference really with these is you could potentially ask a user how many times you wanted to loop around, and you could obviously use a for loop for that as well. I hope this has been good for you. If you need or want to see anything else, please leave a comment.